Hello, FE Form 4 student. Today we have to talk about the module Learning English Through Drama. This is your worksheets, and this is the part A of your worksheets. It talks about different parts of a drama script. Let's do this part to learn the structure of drama. The following is a drama script. Let's have a look at the drama script and work out the structure. The first one, you can see the hall. And what is it? Actually, it is the title. However, in a drama script, we have two titles. So this part should be which title? Let's have a look at the choices given. We have the title of the script and title of a scene. So, which one should be the correct answer? As you can see, this title is at the beginning of the script. So, we will say this is the title of the script. The title of the script. Then, what is the second title? As you can see, scene 1, the discussion here. This title, the discussion, is the title of the scene 1. So, we know this one should be title of a scene. So, we write down D here. Title of a scene. Okay, then we go to the second part. As you can see, written by Mr. Wong, you can see written by. Written comes from the word write, W-R-I-T-E. And if we want to say a person who writes, we will say he or she is a writer. That's why in your drama script, you also need to identify to write down the writer, the name of the writer. So B, we may write writer of the script. Okay, if you want to upgrade your English, which means if you don't want to use writer, you may also say author, A-U-T-H-O-R. Okay? Then we go to the next part. As you can see the name of Chris, Jackie, Michael, and Mr. Chen. You can see the names of different characters in the drama. And who is Chris and who is Jackie? They are the committee members of the student union. As you can see the roles here. So what is the meaning of the student union? Let me give you one example. For our school, PESS, our student union is named UNIT, U-N-I-Q-U-E. So UNIT is our student union. So, do you know the meaning of student union now? You're so clever and smart. I think all of you know the meaning. Then Michael and Mr. Chen, they are the chairperson and English teacher respectively. So what do we call this part, the whole part? What is it? This is the character list. So for C, let's write down character list. Character and list. Okay, and actually in a drama or a story, we have two types of character. The first type is what we call protagonist. Protagonist. Okay, usually protagonists are the positive or the good characters in a story. However, we have the opposite, antagonist. Antagonist. So, what is the meaning of antagonist? As we have positive characters in a drama or story, We also have the opposite, negative characters in a drama or story. We call the negative characters antagonists. Okay, then let's go to the other parts of a drama play. The most important part is this part. You can see Mr. Chen saying something, Michael saying something, Chris and Jackie are responding. Okay, what do we call this part? This part is the dialogue. So we need to include dialogues in our drama. And what is the meaning of dialogue? Dialogue, that means conversation. I think most of you should have learned conversation in your junior forms. However, for senior form students, we use dialogue. Okay, then let's go to the most important part, which is our stage direction. As you can see, there are 3 types of stage direction. Of course, we know characters should say something on stage, but how to convey their meaning succinctly, successfully, in a convincing way, we need to use stage direction. Okay, and remember, stage directions are usually in brackets, in square brackets. Okay, so let's have a look here. Under scene 1, the character, under the title of the scene, you can see all people are sitting around a table having a discussion. So this sentence is in square brackets. So we know this sentence is about stage direction. Okay, let's have a look at the first part. All people are sitting around a table. So you know the people, they are at a table having a discussion. That's why this part tells you the position of the characters. Then what are the characters doing? You can see having a discussion. And having is a verb here. That's why this part is about action. Okay? Then you can see Michael's dialogue, excited. Then Michael will say the sentences in an exciting way. Great! I like using the hall. Last year, the hall was being renovated, so we had to use the tuck shop for the performance. It was bad. Okay, that's why you can see Michael is kind of excited when he says this sentence. So, this part is about the emotion of the character. But not just the emotion, because you also need to use your tone. Now, tone is very important because you have learned this word before, and this word is commonly seen in DSC's reading paper. And what is the meaning of tone? Okay, I write the Chinese meaning for you. This is a tone. And usually tone, we also have positive tone or negative tone. Okay, so this is emotion and tone of speaking. Okay, now we have finished the structure of a drama script. Let's go to question 2. Why do we need to include the character list? Okay, character list is here. You need to tell me the names of the character and roles of the characters. That's why. And why we need to include the list, because of 3 important reasons. The first reason is we want to introduce the background information of the character. And remember, for information, don't put S. no s at the end, because information is an uncountable noun. Okay, then we go to B. We also need to talk about the personalities. The personalities of the characters. Okay, you can see I pluralize personality, change it from personality to personalities, because different characters, they have different natures and different personalities. Then the last one is to introduce the relationships between different characters. That's why we need to include the character list in our drama structure. Then the last question, what are stage directions? I've just mentioned the 3 types of stage directions to you. The first type is about action. Then the second part is about the emotion and tone of speaking. And the last one is our position, is the character's position in the drama play. Okay, so these 3 things are all related to stage directions. Okay, so if you want to have a look at the drama structure, you can go back to question 1 here. Okay, I'll pause at this page and you may have a look and try your best to remember the drama structure. And next time when you have to write a script, you can make use of this drama structure. Thank you for listening.